Hello student, how are you? I hope you all are fine at your home and enjoying the online classes from LPM Public School. This is Akanksha Pandey. I am your subject teacher of science and I am assistant teacher at LPM Public School. I hope you and your family all are fine in this pandemic days. So students, as we know that your chapter number 4, solid, liquid and gases in the proceeding. So in my previous video lecture, I have already explained the many topics as like the states of matter and states of water, about the solid, liquid and gas, and also I have already explained about the process of evaporation, solidification, melting, freezing and condensation. So students, today's topic is solute, solvent and solution. In this topic we will discuss about the how to a solid dissolve in liquid and how liquid dissolve in liquid and how gas dissolve in liquid and gas dissolve in gas. This is the process is called solute, solvent and solution, and already in this topic we have also described about the solute, solvent and solution. Students, when solid dissolve in liquid, this type of solution is formed when the solute is solid and the solvent is liquid. Example, sugar solution, salt solution. Means when solid dissolve in liquid, as like when the sugar dissolve in water, then which product we get, that is called solution. So the when sugar is the solute, water is the solvent, and which product we get as sweet water, that is called solution. And this is the process of how solid dissolve in liquid. And students, next, how liquid dissolve in liquid. Students, this type of solution is formed when the solute and the solvent are both liquid, as like lemon juice and water, and which product we get, that is lemonade. It means when we dissolve when a two liquid dissolve in it, that is called that solution is called liquid dissolve in liquid, as like the lemon juice and water. When we mix them, then we get the lemonade, and the lemonade we get as the solution. And students, when gas dissolve in liquid, this type of solution is formed when solute is gas and the solvent is liquid. It means when a solute is gas and the solvent is liquid. Example, carbonated drinks, air and oxygen dissolve in the water of water bodies which aquatic animals breathe. It means when the gas dissolve in water, that is as like a gas, as like the oxygen and air dissolve in the water or water bodies, and which aquatic animals breathe, and which help for the breathe to animal, that is called process is called gas dissolving liquid. And student, next is gas dissolving gas. This type of process is formed when the solute and solvent are both gases. Example, air mixture of different gases, as like the air surrounded of the earth, and air is the mixture of different types of gas, as like the oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen and etc. So this is the process is gas dissolving gas. And student, when we describe it, it means solid dissolve in liquid, means the solid thing liquid में dissolve होता है, then जो solution हमें मिलता है, जैसे शुगर इज ए सॉलिड फॉर्म and as a solute in dissolved in the solvent as like water. So solid is sugar and liquid is water. When we both of them it dissolve together, then which product as sweet water we get, that is called solution. And liquid dissolve in liquid, it means when we the liquid is lemon juice and other liquid is water, we mix up together, then which product we get as like the lemonade, that is called the solution. And gas dissolved in liquid, when a gas dissolved in liquid means the many types of gases surrounded of the earth, and in the water also the many types of gases include. So this is process is gas dissolved in liquid. And gas dissolved in gas, the our environment surrounded by the many types of gases as like the oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and the air is the mixture of the different types of gases. So this is the process of the gas dissolving gas. Students, I hope you all are understand about the solute, solvent and solution, and the process of the dissolving liquid, solid dissolving liquid, and liquid dissolving liquid, and gas dissolving liquid, and gas dissolving gas. So students, in my next video I have described about your exercise of this chapter, and thanks for watching this video and take care of yourself. Goodbye.